On Saturday, one Ismail Sheikh, who is a resident of Ake, appeared at the police station and informed that behind his house there is one storeroom of whose extension work was going on. And while work was doing, they found some skeleton remains and one skull while digging out the toilet part. So on this information, I along with my team visited the spot and found that there is one storeroom behind the house and some work is going on of the said storeroom. And I also seen that one skull is lying there and some skeleton remains were lying. So accordingly, I informed the SDM to exhume the bone skeleton from the pit. So in presence of the SDM, the said bones were exhumed and conducted all the formalities regarding the including scene of offence, scene of incident Panchanama and inquest Panchanama. And further, I conducted the inquiry. In the inquiry, it was revealed from the owner of the house, Ismail Sheikh, that since last 15 to 20 years he was abroad, that is Dubai, for some work purpose. And one couple from Bijapur was staying as a caretaker of the said house. So in the June 2008, the wife, the lady person, whose name is Renuka, called said owner of the house in the abroad and informed that her husband is missing, and they are going to Bijapur in search of her husband. So again, after 4 days, a call was received from one daughter of the said couple informing that her mother and father were killed in Bijapur in some property dispute. And afterwards, there was no any whereabouts of the said couple, and the owner of the house was also not knowing the address details, nothing about the said couple. So afterwards, there was no any clue of the said incident to find out the said family. So during the inquiry conducted, we got one clue, and we found one person by name Irappa, who was knowing this couple, and a male person, Bhimsen of the said couple, who is a male person. So he informed that sometimes that Bhimsen used to tell him that his son and his wife was assaulting him in the house and they were harassing him very badly. So one fine night, he also came to know that one fine night of June 2008, there was a quarrel between the said couple. And next day when he came to inquire about the said person, Bhimsen, he was missing from the house. At that time, his wife, Renuka, told him that yesterday night he left the house and there is a possibility that he had gone to his native place at Bijapur. So further, this Virappa also came to know that this person has not reached to Bijapur. And after some 4 days also, this wife and their children, that is one son and 2 daughters, also left to Bijapur. So in their native place at Bijapur, all the villagers will also in a doubt about the whereabouts of this male person, that is Bhimsen. So after getting this information, I sent one team to Bijapur consisting of PSI Suraj Gauns and my staff, along with this Tirappa who used to know this Bhimsen. So when my team reached to Bijapur, it came to the notice that the son of the deceased is presently not staying at Bijapur and he has shifted to Kunnur after selling all the property from Bijapur. So my team again left to Kunnur and conducted inquiry. There they found this son, namely Parshuram Duranhalli. The name of the son was Parshuram Duranhalli. So Parshuram Duranhalli. So after conducting the inquiry with the son regarding this said person and the said incident, he confessed about the crime and told that he along with his mother killed the same said Bhimsen. He killed the Bhimsen because he told that the said Bhimsen used to come to his house and harass his mother and him and also was assaulting them. So in the one night of June 2008, he along with his mother assaulted him and he became unconscious, and after that they strangulated his throat, and to destroy the evidence they buried him inside the room, in the bathroom. So accordingly the custody was taken of the said Parshuram Doranhalli. Further also it was revealed that when the said family, that is the wife, son and two daughters, left to Bijapur, the villagers was having a doubt that because the presence of this Bhimsen was not known, that is also in Goa, that is in Bijapur. So they pressurized them that they had done something wrong to this Bhimsen, and in that pressure that mother committed the suicide by taking the pesticides. So in this connection, presently we have taken the custody of Parshuram Doranhalli and we registered the crime under section 302 and 201 for destroying the evidence, and our further investigation is in progress.
Where you arrested him now?
We arrested him now at Kunnur, Karnataka. Present age of accused is 35 years. In this connection, for our team, one more thing I want to tell this, because there was no any clue for this case. We tried our level best and we are managed to detect this case. So in this connection, our SP South has rewarded our team for rupees 5,000 reward.